Does a house actually ever sell at an open house? Hi, I'm Tim Tyler from Coldwell Banker Realty, and I'm here today to talk about how I do open houses and why. So, our opening question, does a home actually sell at an open house? Well, the short answer to that question is yes, it does. Selling a home is a numbers game. The more people you get through your home, the more likely you are to get an offer and the more offers you're likely to get. Yes, even in this market where things are selling crazy fast, crazy all over, you're still more likely to get an offer faster and you're likely to get more offers when you have open houses. Let me explain a little bit about why. Let's say you have a home that doesn't want to do any open houses. In any given hour, we can only schedule about 4 showings for that house. And that means that you can only get maybe 30 or 40 people through in a given day. However, in a 2-hour open house, you can get 30 or 40 people through in just that 2-hour window because we don't have to schedule specific people at specific times. So, that is how an open house brings more people through your home faster with less disruption to your life as well. Now, the next question, how do I do open houses? Well, let me show you how. My open house experience begins with a welcoming sign right on the front door. And once inside, visitors will have an opportunity to sign in with their phones on an engaging professional sign-in sheet. There will also be booties by the front door so that we can keep your home clean, especially in inclement weather. Once buyers enter the home, they will find a table with professional literature that helps them to understand the home buying process, a glossy flyer of the home itself, and business cards for lenders that I have worked with in the past. And those that give me a valid mailing address will also receive a thank you card several days later in the mail. I also have a large banner which stands out and helps people to remember this home among all the others they've seen that day. Perhaps the most important part of an open house is not what happens during the open house, but what happens after. As I already indicated, for anyone who gives me a valid mailing address, I'm going to be sending them a thank you card. And for the rest of them, they or their agent will receive a call or an email from me within 24 hours to gauge their interest in whether they're thinking of making an offer. If you're considering selling your home and are looking for an agent who's going to be proactive and help you to sell that home as quickly as possible with the least possible disruption to your life, I invite you to give me a call at 973-462-4079. Again, Tim Tyler from Coldwell Banker Realty, and I'm ready to help.